What's up, everyone? It's time for a recap on the day trades I've taken this far. Kind of give you the reasoning behind the levels, why I took the trade, some of my exits. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First on the watch list was a huge trade we had yesterday on GME inside Team Bull. We took the 32 call options for this trade. It was in my watch list, and I called this trade out live inside Team Bull. Let's take a look here. We got in right in this area here. Had a nice pullback, got in on this candle right at this 31.4 area. Had a beautiful push up, trimmed right above pre-market highs. We actually got caught in an up halt on GME. They actually stopped it. We had to wait to take the rest of our profits. Had a nice push up, over a 200% trade on this, on the options. Small account friendly as well. You know, GME is a meme stock. What I've noticed, we've been having volume. It had relative strength. Pre-market looked really nice, and it worked out. Beautiful trade. The thing that separates winners from losers, and breakout trades, these type of trades, or just day trading in general. Before I ever went into this trade, I had a plan. I knew where I was going to stop out. I knew where I was going to take my first, trim, take profits first. And I have enough discipline to follow that plan that I create pre-market before the market ever opens. Now, that was the only day trade with options I wanted to talk about. I want to talk about some futures trades that I've made this week. I was scalping. Just kind of give you my thought process behind these trades. For those of you that's interested in futures trading and do not have an account, and you don't have the capital to trade, or you just want to trade using someone else's money, check out the link in the description for the funded accounts. Simple evaluation you have to pass. Check it out, see if that's something you're interested in. They have all the videos there, walk you through it. But let's take a look here. I took a few different trades on the ES today, scalping, of course. Did really well today. Anyways, first scalp was a break above. I took it off the 9 EMA, but this breakout trade, this was alerted to me by our own Wall Street Savage and Team Bull. We have a group text, but anyways, he said, watch for this breakout. I looked for a nice pullback to enter this. I caught it off the 9 EMA, had a nice push up, did very well off that trade. Right at $700 off this trade. Now let's talk about some more trades I did take. You can see here, we kind of formed this triangle here on the 5-minute. This is during market open. The one before was during pre-market. You can trade futures pre-market. Now I was looking for an orb above this, or a break, orb to the downside, a break to the bottom of this triangle or to the upside. I was not for sure what was going to happen at this point. The reason we broke to the downside, we did have some data drop, but I got in here, shorted this one, and it had a very nice move down. I was in and out of this trade quickly. I prefer to scalp futures. For those that don't know this, for each 1 point you move, it's around $50, in profit. So if it goes in my favor, $1, that I've made $50 per one that I have, long or short. If you want to, make money to the downside trading futures, you go short. And this is the same thing. You make $50 per $1 move down if you're short. Another trade I took today that I did not mention, we had a nice pullback here to this 9 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. I took one short here, had a nice push down, scalped it in and out. While I'm learning, trading futures, I like to scalp. I don't like to go super heavy until I get a good feel for it. That being said, I feel like I have a really good understanding of futures. I do plan to start calling my trades out live inside Team Bull on futures, probably in the next week or so. But that's all I had for you all today. If you have any questions regarding futures, options trading, joining Team Bull, let me know. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.